Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I'll take you through my shopping haul and the products that I've bought online as well as offline. And I know it's already too late for a video like a shopping haul or a decor haul because Diwali is just this week. But yes, I just purchased all these things in the last minute, and one of my product which got delivered today, and I think one is going to be arriving maybe after 2 days. By the way, it is not a Diwali specific shopping for me, because anyway I wanted these products for my living room. And Diwali is supposed to be very colorful, vibrant, with lots of colors like golden, green and red. But in my shopping you'll see everything in white, because I already have a dark green color couch in my living room and a very dark red color lounge chair. If I'll add more colors, it's going to get haywire. So that's the reason I thought of just using one color, that is white. That is, I think, gonna make the look pretty good and will balance the entire setup. So some of the products are related to furnishing and some utility products as well. So I'll just show it to you. Yeah, let's get started.
So number one thing today in my list is this classy TV unit, and also this is going to be the last furniture piece of my home. Until now my TV set was placed on a desk like a study table, and last year we invested in a lounge chair and a couch, and this year was budgeted for the TV unit. So I got this beautiful, classy and elegant TV unit. This has 2 doors and one pull-out drawer. I got this custom made from a local furniture shop. The laminate used in this particular TV unit is of medium finish in the white laminate category. So it's not matte, it's not glossy, it's sort of medium finish. Now next from my shopping is this beautiful boho table runner. This is exactly how I want it. I've got this from Amazon, so I'll link it down in the description box below, just in case if you're interested, go ahead and get it. And I really like it because the color is nice, fabric is nice, and the design and finish, everything is so perfect. And I plan to keep this on my shoe rack, and this is perfect in alignment to my room theme. So along with some Diwali basics like replacing the small kitchen tools, getting diyas, candles, I think getting mats for the home is something we all do. We replace mats every Diwali or every maybe New Year. So this is something what we do every Diwali, we change mats. So I got 3 of them, so 2 are bigger and 1 is a smaller size. And I've got this offline, so I'll try to find a similar link online if I can get it. Now here comes my another favorite thing, the Makran pillow cover. Again, it's a boho element, and this was of rupees 450 or something. The exact pricing I'll mention in the description box. You can see the color, the fabric and the design is very well done. And if you see it inside, you have to use your own pillow, so it's just the cover, and then underneath this design there is no layer of cloth. So whatever cushion you use, the color has to be in sync so that it looks nice and clean. And I don't have a cushion right now, so maybe I'll do a DIY for it. Next, I also got this transparent storage box in white color, and there was no reason not to buy it. So I got 2 of them. You won't find it on Amazon, it's from DMart, and you can keep anything. It's a multi-utility storage box. I have kept my makeup items. You can also keep your kitchen towels or anything that you like. It's transparent, so it's visible what's inside. It's from DMart, so it's the running product, so I'm sure you'll be able to find it if you want to get it. Next in my white wish list was this curtain, and it got delivered today, and the design is so pretty and nice. It's not very loud. Fabric is cotton, and these are not very heavy, so easy to manage. And but the problem with last minute shopping is that if anything goes wrong, you cannot do anything about it. In my case, in this pair of curtain, both sizes I received are different. So one is 7 feet and the other is 9 feet, and my living room curtain panel is 9 feet. So unfortunately I cannot use them up on the Diwali day, so I have to cut it and use it in my room now. And let me also tell you what's the problem with the ring curtains. You see these rings, my mom told me that it will be difficult to wash it in the washing machine. It's her personal experience with a few curtains that it gets off after 2-3 wash, and then you'll be left with no choice other than to give it a hand wash. Now here comes my super favorite and my current obsession, these Kona baskets. These are really beautiful. It adds literally glamour to your place. It's really very beautiful, where you can keep it as a planter in your living room or anywhere, or maybe use it as a multi-utility bucket. So if you decide to use it as a planter, what you can do is, to maintain it for a longer period of time, you can keep a garbage bag, and inside it you can keep a water tray, and then finally add your planter. So this kind of will avoid any kind of water leakage, and it will prevent the basket to get moist. And then you can hide this garbage bag like this, so that it doesn't, is not visible. Then I've also got this 10-meter long battery operated white string LED lights, and I have just organized it in a cardboard like this. And this copper string fairy light is yet to come. And then last in my list is this white water can. I think this is a must have for all gardeners, and this is going to be coming on 12th, so I've just put up a picture over here. With that, this video comes to an end, and thank you so much for joining in. So let's go back and do some cleaning, decoration, and make sweets. Bye bye.